Agents are the new apps. And we expect someday for there to be thousands of agents available. We want 1,000 agents to bloom.
So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents. Eventually, probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
For the very first time, this is going to be an industry of skills. And you capture that phrase and you call it agents. But it's going to be, for the very first time, agents sitting on top of tools.
If you're here, it's probably because you've been hearing a lot about AI agents lately. Maybe you've even checked out some other videos that got way too technical, and you thought,
why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
Well, guess what? That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you the most straightforward, real-world explanation of what an AI agent is. So what is it? You probably already know that AI stands for artificial intelligence, but here's where it gets interesting. AI by itself is like raw brain power. It's got all this potential, but it's not really useful until you give it a job. Enter the AI agent. Think of AI as the genius with a million ideas, and the AI agent is the one who actually gets stuff done. While AI is all about smarts, an AI agent is the practical, hands-on version. It's like giving that genius a task and saying, okay, now go do something useful with all that brain power. The AI agent takes the intelligence of AI and turns it into action, whether it's answering your questions, automating your work, or handling your to-do list. It's the difference between knowing how to do something and actually doing it. So while AI is the brains, the AI agent is the one rolling up its sleeves and making things happen. Here is the 1, 2, 3 of AI agents. Number 1, they understand. AI agents listen to what you're asking or needing. Number 2, they think. They process this information and figure out the best way to help you. And number 3, they act. Finally, they deliver what you need, whether it's an answer, a solution, or help completing a task. Now, how do they work? Imagine your parents are heading out for the evening and leaving the babysitter in charge. Remember, you're only 5. They don't just walk out the door, they give them instructions. What time you need to go to bed, what you can have for a snack, and what to do in case of an emergency. That's exactly how AI agents are trained. Developers provide these agents with detailed instructions using data, so they know exactly how to respond in different situations. Some agents come pre-programmed with basic instructions, like a babysitter who's already experienced. Others can be customized to fit your needs, like giving the babysitter special rules for kids. Once set up, these AI agents handle tasks just as smoothly as a well-informed babysitter, freeing you up to focus on other things. So what does an AI agent actually look like? When we talk about what an AI agent looks like, it's helpful to think of it as a combination of 2 things: an interface and a workflow. The interface is how you interact with the AI agent, maybe through a chat window, a voice assistant, or even a button on a website. But behind that interface is where the real magic happens, and that's the workflow. Imagine a flowchart. You ask the AI agent a question or give it a command through the interface. That's the starting point. From there, the AI agent follows a series of steps or nodes in a workflow. These nodes could involve accessing information from a database, making a decision based on what it finds, or even performing a task like sending an email. The nodes in this workflow might change depending on what you ask or what the AI agent needs to do next, but it's all behind the scenes. So while you only see the interface, what's really happening is that the AI agent is working through a whole process to get you the best result. Now, here's a simple 4-step illustration of that process. The first is the input. You ask a question or give a command. The second is processing. The AI agent thinks about what you've asked and searches for the best way to respond. Number 3 is action. The AI agent gives you an answer, finds information, or performs a task. And fourth is learning. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, learning from past interactions to improve. So why is it important? AI agents are about to trigger a seismic shift in how we live and work, especially for local businesses and those who support them. Imagine AI handling routine tasks, freeing business owners to focus on growth and innovation. For local businesses, this could mean smarter customer service and more efficient operations, while agencies and service providers can deliver more value with less effort. This isn't just like another tech upgrade. It's likely the biggest transformation we'll see in our lifetime. Those who embrace AI agents now will have a major advantage, while those who don't risk being left behind in a rapidly changing world. In short, AI agents are set to revolutionize how work gets done, and the impact will be massive. I hope this video helped you learn the basics of AI in a way that's easy to understand. I know there's a lot of complicated stuff out there, so if you like simple explanations, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. If you want to learn more and see how AI is helping businesses with things like customer service, sales, and project planning, and give you even a live demo of how AI agents work, check out this video here. So there you have it. An AI agent is a smart digital assistant that understands, thinks, and acts to help you get things done, whether at home or work. And remember, this is just the beginning. These AI agents are going to be everywhere soon, making life easier in ways we're just starting to imagine. Again, if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical content that breaks down tech into real-world terms. Share it with your friends too, because now you've got the clearest understanding of AI agents out there. Good luck on your journey.